Also, if it turns out that the clocks will have to spring ahead an hour this weekend, and local emergency responders want you to take the time to also change the batteries in your smoke detectors. Daylight saving time begins at 2 Sunday morning. The La Crosse Fire Department says the biannual time changes are really a good reminder to also change the batteries in smoke and other dangerous gas detectors. Local responders say even if you check your detectors regularly, you should still put fresh batteries in every 6 months.
Well, maybe you don't have the batteries, it might take a couple of days to get to, and then the batteries could die and it could stop functioning altogether. So whether the batteries are working fine or not, we recommend to have fresh batteries in there to ensure that it's good, ready to go.
The La Crosse Fire Department says the biannual time change is also a good chance to go over your family's fire escape plan.